Many people don't know that they can actually make money while listening to music. This is real, and I've been making money using this strategy. Just pay attention to this video and watch till the end because I'm going to reveal everything that I know about this strategy and how to make money using it from the comfort of your home. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video.
I'm now going to show you how to earn money on a regular basis simply by pressing a button on your phone and listening to music while earning money. Creating a PayPal account is the first step we would need to do because you're going to use PayPal to withdraw your earnings. Click here to go to paypal.com and click on the sign up button. Click next after creating a simple personal account, and that's all. Within a few minutes you'll have your account up and running. You may do this and earn money from these websites from anywhere in the world regardless of your location. There is no need to pay for a premium membership to use this. So how do I get paid? The RadioEarn.com website will pay you with PayPal because a lot of people are already familiar with it. It's very simple and very easy. Right here you can see the live statistics of all listeners from all over the world. This website has already paid out this amount to its users worldwide. If you want to access the dashboard, simply sign up to the website by clicking on this button. After clicking, provide the required information such as your username, first name, last name, email address, password, and more. Once you have successfully created your account and access your dashboard, you'll choose one of 3 radio stations right here. You'll be paid every couple of minutes of listening, and the points will add directly to your account and later will be converted into real actual cash. But before you're able to make cash using this method, make sure to input your payment details here on this page. Just input the details of your newly created PayPal account or whatever payment method you want to use. Now to start listening and earning, click on this button right here. Once you click on the radio station, another tab will be opened. Just click on this play icon over here, and the best thing about this method is that you can just leave it in the background and after the required number of minutes, you'll change it to another station. That's all about this platform. It's very easy and newbie friendly. If you guys are gaining something from this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's continue with the video. The second website that you can make money from is cashforminutes.com. All you have to do is visit this website and sign up. After signing up, they will then send you an email confirmation to verify your account. On your first login, they will show you this information board where you'll see the do's and don'ts of the platform. Also, don't forget to link your payment option to this website in order to get paid once you're eligible for payments. When it's complete, you can start earning money. The third website is called hitpredictor.com. This is one of my favorite websites for making money listening to music, and you will make money as credit for listening to the songs on this website. Once you log into your account, all you have to do is click on this button to rate music, and that will open up a player where you can see the artist and the music that they produce. Once you finish listening, you'll be directed to this page where you can leave a comment and rate the artist's music. Once you finish rating, you can earn points that you can later convert into real cash. The last website is called www.musicxray.com, where you can listen to music or submit music. You can select jobs on this website and start earning money as soon as possible. Do you want to learn how you can earn money passive? Click here!
And that's it! Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.